Unlocking modals in passive voice. The power of might. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of the English language, specifically under the umbrella of passive voice. Our focus today is on the usage of passive voice with modals, particularly the modal verb, might. Before we go any further, let's quickly recap what we know about modals and the passive voice. Modals are special auxiliary verbs that express ideas such as ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Examples of modals include can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, and ought to. On the other hand, the passive voice is a type of sentence construction where the subject is acted upon by the verb. It differs from the active voice, where the subject performs the action. For example, active, the cat chased the mouse. Passive, the mouse was chased by the cat. When we combine the modal verb, might, with the passive voice, we are typically expressing a possibility that an action was done to the subject. The basic structure is subject plus might plus be plus past participle of the main verb. Let's look at an example. Active, they might eat the cake. Passive, the cake might be eaten by them. In the passive sentence, the action, eating the cake, might be done to the subject, the cake. Let's practice with some more examples. Active, the artist might paint the portrait. Passive, the portrait might be painted by the artist. Active, the team might win the game. Passive, the game might be won by the team. Try to come up with some examples of your own to practice this structure. That's all for today's lesson, folks. You now know how to use the modal verb, might, in passive voice sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to write, speak, and think in the passive voice. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!